नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे न्यू वेब टेक्नोलॉजीज Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो न्यू वेब टेक्नोलॉजीज Q3 रिजल्ट डिक्लेयर कर दिया और नेट प्रॉफिट मिला है रेज तो नियरली 147% टू 73.3 करोड़ अनाउंस री अपॉइंटेड ऑफ MD। Netweb Technologies reported a net profit of 73.3 crore for Q3 financial year 2026, up 146.7% year on year. Operating income reached 804.9 crore, a 141.0% increase. Netweb Technologies, a company providing high-end computing and solution, announced its Q3 result today, 17 January 2026. The company reported a significant jump in its net profit and revenue for the December quarter, delivering it is the highest ever quarterly performance. New Delhi-based company reported a net profit of 73.3 crore in the quarter ended December 2025, registering a growth of 146.7% from 29.7 crore in a year ago period. Meanwhile, the revenue from operation the company stood at 804.9 crore for Q3 financial year 2026, with year-on-year growth of 141.0% from the previous reported income of 333.9 crore in a year ago period. What drove the surge in its revenue? In the quarterly financial result, Netweb reported a net debit position of 190 crore as of December 2025. The company attributed the surge in revenue to AI system, which remained the largest contributor. It announced for around 64.2% of Q3 financial year 2026 revenue and 46.6% of revenue for the 9-month period ended December 2025. During the 9-month period, Netweb reported a profit after tax paid of 135.2 crore, up 90.1% from 71.1 crore in the corresponding period last year. Meanwhile, the operating income during the period rose 92% year on year to 1,409.8 crore. The shares of the company ended nearly 6% up in the trading session on Friday, January 16. The stock has gained close to 75% in the last 6 months and about 45% in the last 1 year, according to Bombay Stock Exchange data.